Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Leo English channel, where we learn English in a fun, simple, and step-by-step way. My name is Leo, and I'm happy you're here with me today. In this episode, we are going to learn something very useful and important: how to introduce yourself in English. Let's get started. Let's learn how to talk about yourself in English. Here are some simple and useful sentences. Hello, my name is Leo. I am 25 years old. I am from USA. I live in Chicago. I am a teacher. I speak English and Spanish. I like music and movies. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Leo. I am 25 years old. I am from USA. I live in Chicago. I am a teacher. I speak English and Spanish. I like music and movies. Excellent. Hello, my name is Leo. I am 25 years old. I am from USA. I live in Chicago. I am a teacher. I speak English and Spanish. I like music and movies. Now you try. Say it using your own information. Here are some good beginner questions. What's your name? How old are you? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do? What languages do you speak? What do you like? Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like? Practice these with your friends, classmates, or even alone in front of a mirror. Hello, my name is Sam. What's your name? My name is Leo. Nice to meet you, Leo. Nice to meet you too, Sam. Where are you from? I'm from USA. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Let's practice some important words. Repeat after me, twice each. Name, from, live, teacher, student, speak, like, music, movie, English. Practice slowly first, then a little faster. Your challenge for today: Introduce yourself in English. Say your name, your age, where you're from, your job or what you study, and what you like. Example: Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Iran. I'm a student. I like books and coffee. Record your voice or say it in front of a mirror. Confidence grows with practice. That's it for today's lesson. Now you can introduce yourself in English. That's a big step forward. Congratulations. Thank you for learning with me, Leo Darren, on the Leo English channel. I'll see you next time. And remember, keep learning, keep smiling, keep speaking English. Bye-bye.